I am Thad Wolfram. I am the Chief Strategy Officer across EmVenio Research and PCM Trials. We are a community-based site network. We use both mobile sites to go in and anchor into new communities to make research available there. We also have a partnership with Prime Healthcare where we've established EmVenio Research Institutes within Prime Healthcare clinics, also in areas that are naive to research. So part of the reason we're here across EmVenio and PCM Trials is we're really trying to draw awareness to the way that we can move the walls of research anywhere. And whether that's because we're bringing walls into a community with our mobile sites, or whether that's because we're taking mobile clinicians into the home, making the walls of a home the walls of research. It's really about the optionality that can be provided and the way that we are actively supporting vaccine studies today. And so it's a really valuable event to really draw awareness to that. It's a great conference. One of my favorite things is how comprehensive it is, from the science to the technology to the companies actually conducting research like us. It really is a well-rounded conference where you can kind of get into all things vaccines. It's incredibly comprehensive. I think that there really isn't another conference that is so focused on one area like this with vaccines that really covers all different aspects, where you can get a little bit of everything and really run the entire spectrum of what's happening around vaccines. And so that's really what I love about it. What we're finding is a lot of sponsors are very interested in how they can improve both recruitment and retention on their vaccine studies. And so we're getting into a lot of really interesting discussions on how things like mobile clinicians can support follow-up visits to make it easier for patients to stay on studies within vaccines, so that when individuals on a trial who may become ill when they're meant to come back to a site don't have to make that trip. We can make it easy and convenient for them by going to the home. And so really thinking through the different options, leveraging mobile clinicians, mobile sites, and things like that to make those follow-up visits over the course of a vaccine study that much easier for the participants.